Title: Ali and Zara and the Friendly Ghost in the Old House Ghost. One evening, Ali and Zara went to visit their grandparents. While playing near the garden, they noticed an old cottage covered with green vines and colorful flowers. Ali looked at the cottage and said, "I wonder what is inside. Should we explore it?" Zara smiled and replied, "Yes, but we should stay together and be careful." The children slowly opened the old wooden door and entered the cottage. Inside, they heard a tiny woo sound. The lights blinked softly, and a small white ghost appeared from behind a curtain. Ali and Zara were surprised, but the little ghost smiled and said, "Don't be scared. My name is Casper. I need your help finding my lost magical book." Ali and Zara decided to help Casper. They searched every room of the old cottage. After looking carefully, they found a glowing book hidden under an old wooden table. Casper became very happy. "Thank you so much. I wasn't trying to scare anyone. I just wanted a friend," he said. Ali and Zara smiled and told Casper, "Everyone needs a friend. We are happy we helped you." The little ghost waved goodbye and flew into the sparkling night sky. Ali and Zara returned to their grandparents' house with a wonderful story to share. Moral of the story: sparkles never judge someone by how they look. Kindness and friendship can turn fear into happiness. Sparkles,